Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit ha benar kam da ka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course hospital training hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam haki hospital bahedo India but shabari na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot lani khandai pran riu license arn riwe khandai pra
Kakasi Students Union haka kanriu tri ujliu arajar alpulai kala dawa Jingshai na udin jongka College of Agriculture kabadan hakardam kulai hadian ke Jingshai Pynkynriah kamno jongki Ngut ki Nongtrei na Central Agricultural University Imphal shakardam kulai kaseng kala dawa Jingshai ru halor kadaw bala Pynkynriah kam yaki bat lakin wan tang maki kum ki Nongtrei lani kirwan kit langi ki khun ki kiti shakardam kulai Shuk kaseng kala dawaru ya ka Jingshai ha ka bayadai bat ka Jingpen slam ban pelong ya ka examine ani ka interview kabala da ban pendapat ba na du usnam arajar khakhandai.
Morning. So I am Dipendra Thakuria, Dean of this college, College of Agriculture Kidem Kulai. It is under one of the constituent college of Central Agriculture University and which headquarter is at Imphal. So and these gentlemen they are coming, they are representing that Khasi Student Union KSU. So they actually visited the office of the dean of this college with a particular concern, and concern is that they wants to know that some people belong to a particular community, that Manipuri community, they came on transfer and settle in this college. That is their complaint, whether they are permanently come over here or are they going to stay. Such kind of some confusions are there, and they came, and then I would like to clarify all the matters. Already I have clarified to them that the clarification is that the ongoing conflict what is going on in Manipur, that our Central Agriculture University located in the main Imphal Valley. So some the people employee of Central Agriculture University, they belong to Kuki community. So there is some kind of life-threatening fears or such kind of fear is arises because of the riot. So as a temporary stopgap arrangement, so as we are also the constituent college of the university, so they have been transferred for a period of 3 months only. And once that situation in Imphal will be normalized, these people will again go back, and already I have shown their transfer order also. Here it is clearly mentioned that this is a temporary arrangement for a period of 3 months, and even pay everything will be drawn from their original post. That means it is from the Imphal college only. They will be drawing their salaries. So nothing to worry about the vacant position what is available in this College of Agriculture. These are still intact, and our authority is trying their level best to bring all the necessary advertisement, whatever vacant positions are there. Means mostly vacant positions, we are talking about non-teaching part, not the teaching part. Non-teaching part, whatever vacancy position, definitely university will take care, and advertisement they are trying their level best to bring as early as possible. And then with these words, I like to clarify all the doubts, and this arrangement is purely temporary and nothing to worry about the blockage of position or something.
Mentakasngi nagaliang jongka Khasi Student Union, not Khasil District. Unit nila lembah jongka Division Sel, nila wan hangne rengkat bagi nongelam jongka district. Nadu Vice President jungi bat kue kino ilam na district. Yuan ban mi ban kendu ki yaudin jong geneka College of Agriculture. Mengiwan kendu hangne galong ba habangi yoi bat ngiliyo jingtip ba kidon hadu kumba nriu Ngut kita ki Nongtrei jongka CEU na te na po Imphal na po Manipur ki wan kilayo ya kata transfer order banwan shane ne banwan tre hapo kaneka jaka hangne. ni nalan jung keseng hadin bangilio jengtip ya kani ngilawan ban kendu ya udin bapet ya kani ka jaka pulih hang ni bat hadin bangilio kendu bade keren batu kolong ba ula pensyai sengi ba kini kade betik tang na ka benta ka temporary order andi ka basipor bat ula ya keren syairu batu kolong ba hadin bakut ya kini lai benai extension ndai ban phak biang ki balik phai sepok ka jaka ka ba ki Nongtrei. Nah, kaliang jing keseng ni lah ya keren batu, bat kai galong ba kini ki bawan na ente na po Manipur, kidai ban ngidai bentip ka Ngut kiwan, bat kanu bat ki khun ki kti la ne kiwan tang ki Nongtrei. Dekat kum ka ba bat ki kiwan tang kum ki Nongtrei la ne bat ki khun ki kti. Dekat kum ka ba ngiyo ban ya keren batu kolong ba kidon ki bawan tang kumu Nongtrei wan simen, bat don ru ki bawan bat ka family. Tinggal keren batu ba udairu ban pentip syaka sorkar jela ya kene kejingdon jong kini ki bawan thamai ba phat nang tin po Manipur bat ki bawan sini bat nagliang jing keseng kai ka ba kta susu bangi septing galong ba HOR hajar khandai ngai thu ipi ki don hadu pratli ki pos ki bala advertise saktu kupor bala khot yang ne kejing tungkam kidon hadu pratli ki pos bat hadu menta ki klaim le ya kanu nuk interview ni septing galong ba yo kini ki breu ki ba nakte na po ga jela Manipur nda kilawan hang ne nama kitip ba ga jela miklia ga ba sung suk sung san abe galong ba ngiting yo kini ki pus kin ja no kin tap da ta ki breu ki ba wan nakte na po ga jela Manipur tingil ekran badu la pensisyaru ba ya kini ki bawan menta nang te sini adin tang bukut ya kini kalai nai ki hab ban lek phai no bat ya kini ki pos ki ba la khot HOR hajar khat khandai un sa khot no hapo kini ar banai lai banai ki tang ta hi nalang ji ka sen ka jinya keren jungi batu